Hello YouTube, this is my electric bike. I have had this bike about 4 to 5 years now. Different frame I had this kit on. Now I'm with this design. The bike is open. These panel normally go here. Side covers. There's one for there also. This is the third frame I have this kit on. Frame really go bad after a time. Using it bends and all kinds of ridiculous problems. First I had lead acid as dry cell, the UPS batteries. Then I end up with this life force cell, and it's worked really good. However, this battery is end of its life already, and let's take a look around the bike. It's never complete actually. You're supposed to put some covering in the seat. I never really did that because the bike really works. It's my everyday. It's in a ridiculous shape. The way how I made it out of wood. I got its lights. Horn. Oh, there's a little special features with this. That's an Apple key. I don't know if I'm the first one to get this, but it has an Apple key. There's just a piece of wire in it. An Apple looking kind of key. That is, Tim Cook is not going to be glad with that. Yeah, so let's start this up. 48 is at full charge, is at 60 with 57.67. That's normal. However, let's start there. And take a look at the wheels once it spins. Yeah. This motor, I think it's grown tired already because the bearings, and so I think there's a problem with it. But however it works, I fetch water, I fetch gas, I fetch all kind of stuff in this bike. Put it right here. Anyhow, just want to show you guys what it's like inside. There is a charger, 6 amps charger. Battery. Oh, and there is some ultra fire as the pre-battery. I have the pre-battery to start the bike up to the main battery. This is 12 volts, 6 cell and all. This is 650, I think. I'm not sure. I gotta check that back. This is a 12 volts back. There is a small adapter to charge a 12 volts back, and this charger here is charged the big battery, all self-contained. This is the control the hub motor. However, there is a little additional feature I was working on my own project to make it a little extra energy so it could work. This is a boost converter. And at the back there is some. This kit does not come with the regen feature, so I kind of retrofit something that's gonna be shown in another video. Details when I take it out today for a little servicing or so. It's kind of confusing there right now, but it works in a kind of way because I have a little hub there that generates about 6 volts or something like that. Brings a 6 volts storage into a set of capacitors right to the back there. Let's see those capacitors. Yeah, those capacitors stores the 6 volts. Then it goes into this converter, boost converter, that boosts it up to 48 volts. But I don't think that's working efficient, but it works for now. However, when you do pull the brakes on the bike, it switch on a circuit that I have personally built, that switch to stop the bike instead of actually using the brakes, because I really have a problem with brakes. I don't have these brakes, as you can see. So it just switch on a circuit that literally takes the little voltage from the DC motor, no, the 3-phase AC motor, let me get that right, and store it in the capacitors, and it literally run through this boost converter. That's a little confusing thing, but it stops the bike, simple as that. Anyway, that's the look of my inside of my electric e-bike, the box bike. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, comment, anything concerning it. I know it's ridiculous shape, but it's my project. Thank you.